We'll guide you through how to export Google Form responses to Google Sheets and Excel. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
So you can organize, analyze, or share the information more easily. Let's get started. Open your Google form, and once the form is open, go to the Responses tab in the top menu and just click on it. Inside the Responses tab, you will be able to see all of the submissions that people have sent through your form. This section gives you a quick overview of the responses, but in many cases, you might want to export the data so you can manage it more easily. To do that, look on the right side of your Responses tab and you'll see a small Google Sheets icon. Click on that icon or click on Link to Sheets. When you click it, Google Forms will ask you how you want to store your responses. You will usually see two options. The first one is to create a new spreadsheet, and the second option is to select an existing spreadsheet. If you choose the create a new spreadsheet, Google Form will automatically generate a new Google Sheet and connect it directly to your form. This means that every new responses submitted to the form will automatically appear inside the spreadsheet and click on create. Google Form will now generate a Google Sheet document that contains all of your responses. Each responses will appear as a new row in the spreadsheet and each questions from the form will become a column. This makes it much easier to sort, filter, and analyze your data. For example, you could quickly scan through your answers or even create chart and summaries based on the responses. Now, when you go back to your Google form and let's say I am another person using the Google form and I give it a reply. So I'll just copy the responder link just for tutorial purpose and submit the form. And once the form has been submitted, just go back to your Google Sheet and as you can see, it will be automatically updated in Google Sheets also. Now let's say you want to download this data and open it in Microsoft Excel instead. You can do that directly from the Google Sheet. Just click on Files on the top left and click on Download. And when you hover over Download, you will see several different formats you can export the file as. One of the most common option is Microsoft Excel, which allows you to download the spreadsheet as an Excel files. You can even download it as a PDF from here directly. Click on Microsoft Excel and it will be downloaded directly in your computer. In some cases, you might even see a file explorer open and which lets you choose where to download the file. In my case, I have toggled that off. And once you downloaded your file, you can now open the file in Excel and work with the responses just like any other spreadsheet. And that's how you export Google Form responses to Google Sheets or Excel so you can organize and manage your form data more efficiently. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.